Hello students, welcome to Softwares classes. Today we will be solving the mechanical engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We will be solving the morning shift paper. Our focus will be on the engineering mathematics question and we will be starting off by solving question number 2. In question number 2 we need to find the rank of the matrix -4 1 -1 -1 -1 -1 and 7 -3 1, and the options are option A 1, option B 2, option C 3 and option D is 4. So what we'll do is that we'll write down the matrix. The matrix is -4 1 -1 -1 -1 -1 and 7 -3 1. This is the matrix which we have got. So now if we interchange row 1 and row 2, then we'll get -1 -1 -1 -4 1 -1 and 7 -3 and 1. The next operation that we'll try to do is that we'll implement the operation of the second row will be transformed into R2 minus 4R1, and the third row, that is R3, will be R3 plus 7R1. So this will give us the matrix -1 -1 -1. The first row will be unchanged, the second row will become 0 5 3, and for third row will be 0 -10 and -6. So next we'll be trying to do is that we'll write down the matrix R3 will be written as R3 plus twice of R2. So this will give us -1 -1 -1 0 5 3 and 0 0 0. So as you can see, the number of non-zero rows, the number, let us write over here. So therefore number of non-zero rows, how many number of non-zero rows are? This is the non-zero row and this is the non-zero row. The number of non-zero rows is equal to 2. So therefore the rank of the matrix A, if the matrix we denote it as A, this is equal to 2. So rank is, this is to be remembered, that the number of non-zero rows will be equal to the rank of the matrix. After converting it to the echelon form, this is the form, this form is known as the echelon form. So in this form the number of non-zero rows is the rank. So the rank is equal to 2, which is the option B. So today we have solved question number 2 from the engineering mathematics portion of mechanical engineering GATE exam paper, morning shift paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Softwares classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.